Yes. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I live? Hello. Okay. I'm sorry for the delay. There was some. I'm little not so tech savvy. Okay, now this is the first time doing this, something like this. A job of a VJ or a RJ, whatever you can call me. Hi. Hi, everyone. So today I'm here to introduce Prajakta Shukre. She's famous. I've also heard her when she came on Indian Idol. And today, in these hard times of isolation due to the on-spread pandemic, which you all know as novel coronavirus, Quarantunes attempts to bring entertainment to the comfort of your living room. So, to start with, as the name suggests, Quarantunes intends to bring together different artists every day in this lockdown period, where they go on live chat with their fans. So today I'm going to do a live chat with Prajakta's fans. So Prajakta participated in singing competitions from the age of 4 and participated in the first season of Indian Idol in a 12th standard, reaching in the top 5. I was signed by Sony. So Sony BMG label after the show and released her debut solo album with Leslie as the composer. So now I think we all know her now by now. We've heard her songs also. She good songs since then and have also done numerous live performances. So here we are now. I'm just waiting for her to join in. Prajakta, can you hear me?
Hello, say.
Hi Prajakta.
Hello.
Tough time I'm having today connecting.
I'm my phone also.
I've never done this in my life.
I know. I can understand. I'm also not that great, but since few months I have been going live, and also now I know how to do it.
So welcome to the show. And
Thank you. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. So I think we start with your favorite numbers. I had a long list, but I
Sure.
wasted already 15-20 minutes. I wasted in just trying to
I
connect.
know that's not a problem at all. I have
So
been talking and reading about you also, how your journey and everything. So I would love to know about that also from you as we go forward with this chat.
done. So there was a rapid fire for you first, but I think we can omit that. We'll do it later. To start with, I think we'll welcome everybody with a song from you and
Yeah.
your favorite song, whatever
And
the one
hi
you like.
everybody who are joining me. My friends are joining from my channel also. So hello to everybody. Hi Agnel. Okay, so whenever somebody asks me for my favorite song, a lot of windows pop up in my mind, like lot of songs. So it is always very difficult. Um,
Yeah,
Agnel is here. There was this Marathi song that I usually have to sing in my live session, which got a lot of appreciation on YouTube. So let me sing that.
done.
Friend has rearranged this epic song.
Okay.
सोली पिवली गो निसलै अंजीरी सारी आयो बापाची लाराची लेक मिलारी सोली पिवली गो निसलै अंजीरी सारी माझ्या केसान गो मालीला फुलेला चाफा वास परमानता वाऱ्यान घेतय झेपा नथना कान साजिरवाणी गला भरून सोन्याचे मानी कोली वाऱ्याची मी घराणी रात पुनवेला नाचून करतय मोजा रात पुनवेला नाचून करतय मोजा वल्लभ रे नथवा हो वल्लभ रे रामा वल्लभ रे नखवा हो वल्लभ रे रामा. Yes, that's the one.
Very nice. So
Thank
I'm
you.
sitting in Noida right now. We had a little bit of rush here because I think they're closing down for some time, and we want to be inside doing more shows, listening to more people.
I know,
And
I know.
okay, now tell me, how was the Indian Idol experience?
It was
It's a big
beautiful.
platform. Yeah, you're feeling great.
2005. It started 2005 ka season, first season. So it's been a long, long time, and I'm really grateful to that platform because उसकी वजह से आज तक लोग पहचानते हैं. They still connect to us in that way. So it has given me a lot. Like it has definitely changed my life, I would say. I wanted to know about you as well, sir. How was it for you when you started your company and your dream for the dream
So I
destiny?
belong to a small hill station called Mussoorie
Okay.
and Dehradun, and I started my career very late in life. I used to
Okay.
own a school in Mussoorie, and I had a factory of woolens, and I entered the industry when I was 45.
Okay.
But the day I joined, the second day only, I did my first event, and then I started traveling. Now I travel at least 10 months a year.
Wow.
So that's it. And I've
And
been like,
I'm sure a lot of testimonies you have accumulated all these years because you are the king of destination weddings. That's what I've heard. And so I'm sure बहुत लोगों के बहुत प्यारे प्यारे experiences जो आपके साथ मतलब
you have
after
to
the
see my Facebook for to see what people write about me. मैं
yeah,
पूरी पूरी रात नहीं सोता पढ़ते पढ़ते. I feel so happy about that.
I'm
People give me a
sure.
lot of love. I get a lot of love and respect here. And
Yeah.
so the lockdown, I think, has been bad for the country, but in some ways, it's been beneficial for us
Yeah.
to
It,
to be in touch with everybody since the past. I've been
I'm sure
home
you
since
must
the
be very
18th.
busy. Yeah.
I've been home since the 18th. We closed down a little early because we came back from our last event on the 14th. We went to office for 2 days and we
Okay.
closed as it is for 2-3 days, and then after that lockdown. And now we are all at home giving interviews every day. We're having new shows every day. We're coming face to face with people we wouldn't imagine meeting anytime. We are
Right.
busy in our lives. You all are busy in your lives. Maybe you meet once in a while in one show. So, what
Right.
are your plans after your quarantine is over? Hopefully, it should be over soon if everybody is working towards it.
Honestly, sir, I am enjoying this time, like you said. Doing कभी भी अपने हिसाब से उठ रहे हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कि यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. And doing my things. I'm also working on some content for YouTube. So some originals that are going to come, some ghazals that I'm working on. So इसके पहले ही मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया, द वन टेक गजल प्रोजेक्ट, जो कि सारी जो पुरानी क्लासिक्स हैं, गुलाम अली खान साहब की, फरीदा खान जी की गजल्स.
Can we
उस
hear some from that? Some lines from that?
श्योर. क्या गाऊं उसमें से. ओके. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड दिस, मोहब्बत करने वाले कम ना होंगे तेरी महफिल में लेकिन हम ना होंगे. मोहब्बत करने वाले कम ना होंगे, मोहब्बत करने वाले कम ना होंगे, तेरी महफिल में लेकिन हम ना होंगे, मोहब्बत करने वाले कम ना होंगे, तेरी महफिल में लेकिन हम ना होंगे, मोहब्बत करने वाले कम ना होंगे. So this is one of them
Fantastic.
produced. Thank you.
Actually, now since we are sitting at home only, the only two things I think I do is surf my phone and eat. So I'm eating all day long. What's your favorite food?
Favorite food? Actually,
Food.
I love आलू के पराठे मेरी मम्मी के हाथ के.
I just had them today
और
only.
अच्छा. And I love हमारे मराठी घरों में एक वो सादा वरण हम बोलते हैं उसको, सादी दाल रहती है.
Mm-hmm.
उसमें गुड़, हींग और हल्दी और नमक बस इतना डलता है. और तो वो सादी दाल, चावल और उस पे घी, बेस्ट लगता है मुझे वो.
Mm.
So
So who's
दाल
your Bollywood celebrity crush?
बाप रे. ऋतिक रोशन, आमिर खान.
What's your dream collaboration?
Okay, let me finish, then I'll ask.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
What's your dream collaboration? With whom do you want to sing? Whom do you want your music to be done by?
A lot of them. So every artist aspires and dreams to collaborate with AR sir, and my dream came true though once. I got blessed to sing record for him as a choir for his क्या बोलते हैं उसको? I got blank. Zaria song that was on Coke Studio, A.R. Rahman sir.
Okay.
So that is something when I got to know him and see him working. But yes, I want to sing solo for him. I want to sing a lot of songs for him. It was a dream to sing for Shankar Ehsaan Loy. That also came true through Manikarnika. But yes, I look forward for more recordings with them. And Lucky Ali, I really love his vibe.
So Lucky Ali was my senior in Missouri school.
Oh wow, what a coincidence.
He was in my sister's class. 3 years my senior.
So he used to perform in the college?
No, छोटा सा था. This is junior school called Hampton Court in Missouri.
Achha.
So he was there in junior school. That was from KG to class 6. So he was there. And then he moved over to Bombay. Okay, now can we hear another song? Kesariya Balam, Moppy or something. Kya Yahi Pyar Hai. I got a long list. So, your choice today. People want to hear you, and so do I.
केसरिया बालम आओ जी पधारो निम्हारे देश ओ केसरिया बालम आओ जी पधारो जी म्हारे देश देश रे पधारो जी म्हारे देश.
Fantastic.
I love folk music. I really love these tunes. They take you there.
Yes, so do I. I do a lot of weddings in Rajasthan, loads of them. And over the years, I've been.
Your favorite?
I love that place. Udaipur is my favorite. So I'm used to listening to all these folk music there very often.
Yeah.
I did Laksha's wedding, the prince over there, his wedding. So there were 250 folk dancers in the reception, all together at one go.
Wow.
With the dancers, yes.
So any particular Rajasthani folk other than Kesariya that you like?
I don't remember. I just hear them.
Okay.
I enjoy their music. Baki Akka,
So
which is your favorite Hindi song? I mean, which you relish, like to sing, गुनगुनाना होता है कभी, one tune you choose.
सो ये जो गोलमाल का गाना है आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, रिलेट टू दिस सॉन्ग अ लॉट एंड another connection with his Kishorda, and I love Kishorda, and I'm
I think
born in
everybody
the
does.
same place.
I,
Yeah, I'm born at the same place where Kishorda is born, so I really feel very proud of it. So I'll sing that maybe for everybody. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है, ओ आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. Absolutely love this.
lovely, lovely song. इससे पहले जब I wasn't being able to log in, I told Hari, I said, let's do this tomorrow. Today, now mood is gone now. I will not be able to do anything. So he said, 1 minute, let's try logging once more. So finally we did it.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे और बताओ आप, what are your hobbies and what do you like doing in your free time if you get any?
A lot of things. Now I'm enjoying. That's not a hobby, but I'm enjoying watching a lot of things on Netflix and Prime Video. मतलब जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि binge watching, तो वो चालू है. एक दिन में दो सीरीज मैंने निपटाई है, मतलब कि what an achievement. बाकी other than that, I love painting sometimes. I like to read. So music तो है ही.
Hey, वो तो.
हाँ जी.
So I think I'm in the few people who has not even watched a single movie in these 21 days. Not a single web series. Nothing.
आपने कुछ
My
तो आप क्या.
industry's kept me busy. My industry's kept me busy. I get so many phone
अच्छा.
calls from all the youngsters, from everybody. Everybody's nervous now. What's going to happen?
Yeah.
So I have seniors. I
It's
have my colleagues calling, office children calling, and they're all over in the house. You know, they're all very disturbed. So we can.
yeah.
I told them I said just pray. That's the only thing we can do, and be safe and be inside.
So yeah. So what have you been telling them, that how do they cope up with this anxiety?
So we
Because
try
I'm
to
sure a
do.
lot.
Yes. So I'm trying to pacify them, and for our office team, we have a big office team. We give them work in the morning, but work from home is a little not so tempting in India. They
Yeah.
like to laze around and be with themselves in their homes. But we're trying to inculcate this into the system. So 3-4 hours वहाँ चले जाते हैं, फिर lunch time हो जाता है, then calls start coming. Then the hottest things in our lives are video calls between friends and the industry people. So 1-2 घंटा वहाँ चले जाते हैं. Then I have all the singers, Tushar and Sulabh and Rahul Vaidya and all coming and singing in that chat group. 1-2 घंटा वहाँ निकल जाता है, and I think I'm enjoying this calm and quietness and spending time with everybody. Not face to face, but yes.
Yeah.
I'm getting hooked onto it actually.
Yeah.
The free
So
time
do
is.
you think now we don't know what's going to happen, when this will settle and everything? So do you think that digitalization will take another level now because of all this, or?
See, it has taken another level. What we are doing right now, I would have thought I'll do something like this ever. Talk to people on phones like this. But I think 2-3 महीने में everything won't settle down. So वापस हो जाएगा. We'll bounce back soon. Indians are and events people are a little tough. We bounce back very soon. Very tough drive we have. So फिर ये भूल जाएंगे हम, ये भी 4-5 महीने खराब निकले थे. We'll forget that also. ठीक है. I think life goes on. बहुत कुछ हुआ. I'm going to turn 60 this year. So I've seen plenty of things. सब ठीक
I'm
हो जाता है
sure.
in the end. I'm just afraid this doesn't take a worse trend than what is happening right now.
Yeah.
People थोड़ा लोग ने setback दे दिया हम लोगों को बात ना सुन के. A person like
Thank you.
me who should travel 10 months a year, the day I
Yeah.
walked inside my room, I haven't even stepped out of the main door.
I know.
So,
How does it feel to be
feel
home
good.
for so long?
I'm enjoying every bit of it.
Yeah. Nice.
I watch all the serials with my mother in the evening from 6:37 onwards. All Hindi serials I know, right till 11 o'clock. So I'm enjoying my time with my wife. My son is here. My younger son is also here.
Nice.
So my elder son is in America, so that's a little.
So they are fine there. Everything is
Yeah, they're
settled.
fine. They're all good. They're doing well. So, anything else you want to talk about? You want to tell us about your future plans? Are you married? Not
So,
married?
like I said, that more content for no, not married. But now I know whenever I want to get married, I know a best person in the country to go
Anytime.
to. Yes.
So, my family
Uh,
also lives in Bombay.
okay. Yeah. My
My
family
sisters
also.
are my sisters
Okay.
are there. My in-laws are there. My mamas are there. Everybody's there.
Okay.
So
So
good
out of
connection with
India,
Bombay.
sir, which is your most favorite destination to go to?
See, I like all towns now. I do a lot of work in Bangalore, Chennai, Bhopal, Udaipur, Jaipur, Indore.
Yeah.
Then yeah, I'm all over. So
Have you been to
I love
Jabalpur?
all places. No, Jabalpur I haven't been.
Okay.
लास्ट टाइम अभी कोई फोन आया था 6-8 महीने पहले वहाँ कोई था इनकी शादी थी बट आई वाज बिजी दैट टाइम सो आई कुडंट गो दैट
So मेरा
इन फैक्ट
schooling
I
from
discovered an old school friend of mine stays in Jabalpur कल ही मेरा connection हुआ से he used to be in my school in Allen in Missouri so
okay.
he's from there
So my
that's
schooling
about
was
it
done there, 6 to
in
12. So I
Jabalpur
have a good connect with Jabalpur. Yeah.
but I've been in all the major towns except for Kashmir I've been all over
Okay. I've been to Kashmir once with Shankar Hassan Loy's band. They had a show for military people, and
okay
we were in Srinagar. And it was a beautiful setup. And obviously, it's a beautiful
though I love
place.
Mahabalipuram these days it's a
Ah,
little
okay.
far away 2 hours from Chennai 1.5 2 hours from Chennai. But all the resorts and the beaches and all very very nice. It's a very different feel you get.
I heard, yeah.
And the famous temples are also there.
In
Pandavkita MK.
Kovalam,
Kovalam अलग
down
चला जाता है,
south.
but yeah, Kovalam is nice.
Yeah. So,
But new places are opening. Hopefully, when everything's okay, Hampi is opening in Vijay. That's down south in Vijayanagar. It's a small courtyard kind of a thing in. It's a palace, temple, palace, something like that.
oh wow,
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
nice.
Just check it out when you're online. Hampi it's called Hampi. Then I went to
Hampi,
Ocha
yeah.
recently in Jhansi. Yes, that's a beautiful place. So like this, I think we'll discover a lot of places because I think weddings are going to be a little small for the time being until everything opens up and we start traveling again.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think all these small, beautiful places will come in little handy now.
Yeah. So you always loved traveling, sir?
I started loving traveling once. My first event was in Udaipur. My ever first event. And
Okay.
after that, yeah, then it's been Udaipur. Then I started loving, carrying everybody with me. I had a task force about 300 people working with me, trucks going, doing setups,
Yeah.
everything, very challenging. So that is good.
Yeah.
Made us tough.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Project, anything you
So,
want to, a message you want to leave for your fans or something? I think we can log off now.
Sir Sid has a good question for you. Tell us where you haven't been.
I have,
Siddharth is asking. Yeah. Siddharth Todi, yeah. So your voice cracked. I could. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. Nomadic Riders. Hi. I'll just say hi to everybody. They really. Dharamveer ji, very violent. Sorry, I could not hear you.
बल्ले ने नखरा सॉन्ग, ये कौन सा
हाँ जी,
गाना है?
हाँ जी, आ रही थोड़ी कट के आ
हाँ,
रही।
अब आ रही है?
हाँ जी।
हाँ जी। Somebody wants you to sing बल्ले दे नखरा. I don't know this song, कौन सा है?
कौन सा?
वल्लभ ने नखवा.
वल्लभ रे नखवा. I sang that सबसे
You sang
पहले.
that. वही वाला है. अच्छा.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी, मराठी.
Now you can hear me. Somebody saying they can't hear me. Hello.
No, now we can. Now we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
ठीक है.
Can
So one song before we sign out. One song which Kishore Kumar song or something like that.
so you tell me. I would love to sing for you.
I'm very
Please
bad
tell
at
me.
songs. I love hearing. मुझे एक गाने की लाइन भी याद नहीं रहती है.
याद नहीं आता.
I'm very bad at it.
Okay. किशोर दा का गाती हूँ मैं. इतने सारे गाने याद आ जाते हैं अगेन. गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है. कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन. गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल.
Super.
Thank you, sir. It was really nice knowing
Same
you.
here, Pradita. Same. We'll catch up soon. Live.
Yes, sir.
Not like this.